How high blood sugar shortens your life. Part 4, cancer. Hi, I'm Dr. James Machino. Believe it or not, it's very well documented that high blood sugar levels or a high glucose level increases your risk of cancer. It's not spoken about nearly enough, but it is a significant factor. Also, high blood sugar, if you develop cancer, will worsen the prognosis. And if your blood sugar remains high, even after they've treated the cancer, there's a greater chance it's going to come back. So that's, in the medical literature, this is very well documented. So how is high blood sugar related to an increased risk of cancer? Well, when your blood sugar is higher, your pancreas has to secrete more insulin. Insulin is known as a mitogen. That means it causes cells of the body that have insulin receptors to divide at a faster rate. Well, most of the cells of the body have insulin receptors. When cells divide faster, they make more genetic mistakes that can lead to cancerous mutations. So there's a greater chance that cancerous mutations will occur when cells are dividing faster. That occurs when your blood sugar is higher because you're secreting more insulin. And then, to make it worse, most cancer cells, 95% of all cancer cells, cannot use fat for energy. They can't use protein for energy. They can't use ketones for energy. The only thing they can use for energy is blood sugar or glucose. So if your blood sugar is high, you're feeding the cancer cells the only fuel they can use, so they can divide at a much faster rate when your blood sugar is higher than when your blood sugar is in a more controlled range. So not only do you create cancer, you feed the cancer, and that's why there's a greater chance you're going to get cancer, and if you get it, the prognosis is going to be worse because you're feeding the tumor cells. Listen, the National Cancer Institute has shown us that 70 to 90% of all cancers are preventable with better dietary and lifestyle practices. Achieving an ideal fasting blood glucose level is part of that story. It's critical. And I want you to really understand it, and it's linked to cancer, because cancer deaths are now starting to outpace deaths from heart attack and stroke and other vascular problems. It's a runaway train. So click on the link below and read my review article on how high blood sugar levels actually cause cancer. I think it'll be eye-opening, and you'll see all the scientific references there. It's a must-read for anyone who wants to lead a long, healthy, functional life and remain disease-free. Now, MachinoHealth.com, you'll see my other research review papers. You'll see footage from my live professional seminars. You see other downloads and videos and resources I've created. They're all there for free to help you lead a long, healthy, functional life. All my research review papers and teaching materials are complete with all the scientific references. So you'll see you're only getting evidence-based information from me on any health topic that you're looking for. So you should use MachinoHealth.com as an ongoing, reliable resource of health and wellness information for both you and your family. Thanks so much for watching.